Hello, and I had colored those three hearts right there, as you can see. I colored those. Plus, I'm gonna show you guys something else. Um, but I colored those, all three hearts, and they're different colors. Elton has a little bit brown and orange, pink and red and yellow. Okay, here's something I got for Christmas. This is my RC airplane. And this is a beginner's airplane. It's made out of foam, some kind of foam. And when I got it out of the box, I had to put the wheels on it. I had not flown this airplane yet, but I will. But that's a beginner's airplane. And here's I call it receiver. Here it is right here. This is the throttle. And but anyway, this right up here is the aerobatics for the beginners and aerobatics. And then you have expert and the beginner. Right now it's set on the beginner's mode. And I had not flown, like I said, I had not flown this airplane yet, but I will. I just thought I might show this to you guys. I used to fly RC airplane years ago. And this is it right here. Let's see. Okay. If you have not subscribed, press that subscribe button and press the like button, and also ring my bell so you will be notified for when I do videos in my lives. Thanks for watching. Oh, also read in the description below.